बच्चों आज हम नया चैप्टर चालू करते हैं। तो इस चैप्टर का नाम है फ्रॉम हंटिंग गैदरिंग टू ग्रोइंग फूड। तो बच्चों अभी तक हमने पहले चैप्टर में पढ़ा कि आवर अर्लीस्ट फोर फादर वेयर हंटर्स एंड गैदरर्स, दे आर मूविंग हियर एंड देयर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड, इन सर्च ऑफ वाटर, like that. In this chapter we will study what happens after that. The main thing is the earliest people, why were they on move, means वो चलते क्यों रहते थे, क्यों एक जगह दूसरी जगह माइग्रेट करते थे। हम आज ये जानेंगे माइग्रेट करते थे तो क्यों करते थे। अगर वो माइग्रेट न किए होते, एक ही जगह रह गए होते, तो फिर सिविलाइजेशन आगे ना बढ़ती। सो व्हाट एवर द बेसिक रीजन व्हाई दे वर मूविंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस we will know in this chapter. We describe people who lived in the subcontinent 2 million years ago, hunter and gatherers. जो भी हमारे यहाँ पहले रहते थे उनको हंटर और गैदरर्स कहते हैं। क्यों कहते हैं अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा। The name has been provided because they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds. That's why they are known as hunters. Gatherers because they were gathering the fruits, roots, nuts and seeds, leaves, stalks and eggs for their food. Now I think it is clear why we are calling them hunter and gatherers, because they were hunting the animals and gathering the fruits, nuts, roots for their living. So they were known as hunters and gatherers. It is very clear. Now in next slide we will study why they were moving from one place to another place. In next slide you will understand it very clearly, because one slide can be maximum time for one slide is nearly about 2 to 2.5 minutes. In next slide I will tell you. Thank you. तो बच्चों हमने पिछली स्लाइड में देखा कि हंटर और गैदरर किसको कहते हैं। अब हम आपको बताएंगे कि वो हंटर गैदरर्स एक जगह दूसरी जगह जाते क्यों थे। पहला कारण, if they had stayed at one place for a long time they would have eaten up all the available plants and animal source. Might be possible if more and more people will confine in one area, they can eat all the things available there, so then will be nothing to them for live long over there. That's why when they were always continue moving from one area to another area. Second, animal move from place to place, so these people has to follow their movements of hunting purposes. They were eating animal places, so in search of animal, when animal move from one place to another place, they were in search of animal, they were moving from one place to another place. That's why like this the human hunter gatherers migrate from one place to another place. जानवरों को मारने के लिए वो पीछा करते थे, जानवर एक जगह दूसरी जगह जाते थे, उनके पीछे पीछे वो भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने लगे. थर्ड, पीपल में हैव मूव्ड फ्रॉम सीजन टू सीजन इन सर्च ऑफ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ प्लांट्स. बच्चों आप जानते हैं कि प्लांट्स जो होते हैं सीजन टू सीजन वेरी करते हैं. सम प्लांट्स ग्रो इन समर सीजन, सम प्लांट्स ग्रो इन विंटर सीजन, सम प्लांट ग्रो इन रेनी सीजन. So after staying at one place, when the season is over, they were having nothing to eat, so they migrated to another area so that they can have their food, plant food. In search of plant food, they were moving from one place to another place. Fourth, people living on their bank which have had go on in search of water during dry season from their places. जो लोग नदी किनारे रहते थे, आप जानते हैं नदी सूख जाती, कुछ नदियाँ सूख जाती हैं, जब सूख जाती होंगी तो नदी से दूर हो जाते हैं खाने की खोज में, पानी की खोज में. इस तरह से उनका मूवमेंट होता है. तो ये मेन these are four main reason why the hunter and gatherer were moving from one place to another place. I think it is very much clear to all of you. Thank you.